Hi friends, today I am with another technical video how to replace the rear brake shoe of Ntorq. Welcome to my channel KCP Technical Tips. For that we require spanner number 23, spanner number 12, TVS rear brake shoe for Ntorq, base cloth, grease and a wooden block. First of all, just move the vehicle from the stand and give load to the rear vehicle and just fix the spanner 23 on the center bolt and loosen the net. Also loosen the screw from the brake lever so that the shoe will not be tight. It can be removed with the help of hand, or if required you can use spanner number 12. Then slide the vehicle to the right and just remove the rear wheel from the central axle. So here you can see lot of dust in the brake shoe assembly. It's better to clean the area as well as the engine cover because it is so easy to clean right now. We can clean it. I just cleaned it. Now you can just pull out the rear brake shoe so that it's like two pieces fixed on a two nets, one lever and one engaged. So you can just clean it. So this is the TVS Ntorq original brake shoe which cost around 171 rupees. Now I have cleaned the area as well as the rear, the case of the engine. Now it's very clean. Now just unpack the brake shoe. Normally TVS is coming with the spring. There are some brakes which will not have the spring. If you don't have the spring, you have to remove the spring from the old brake shoe and have to fix it. Now this TVS original is having the spring, so it's easy to fix it. Just apply the grease on both the area as shown in the video. This is to reduce the friction and smoothen the brake movement. Also just apply a small portion of the grease on the surfaces as shown in the video of the brake shoe. Now you can just fix the brake shoe as shown in the video. One side is half circle and one side is flat. Same way you have to fix it. It's simple, and be cautious that you don't put the grease or oily thing on the brake shoe. Just remember that you should not for any reason touch the grease on the brake shoe. Now it's fixed. Brake shoe is fixed. New brake shoe is fixed. Now just move the lever. I can see the movement of the brake shoe. Now just apply some grease on the central axle also. Now clean the drum area. If you want, you can just slightly put that sandpaper. Now also apply some grease on the the portion where you have this central axle engaged. Okay, now you can fix it. Same way, you have to slightly slant this vehicle to the right side so that it will be easy for you to fix the rear wheel on the axle. Now it's fixed. Now just put the ring and the nut in the center. If you can't, you can use the thread locker also. It's a safety measure. You just apply the thread locker on the thread and you can just engage the nut in it, so it will be fixed. Thread locker is a liquid form. You can get it from any of the hardware or an automobile spare shop. Now just assemble as shown in the video. First put the washer, ring washer, and then the nut. First of all, use your finger to tighten the nut because it should not go as fix as in the wrong thread. So just make sure that it is in the correct thread push, engaging in the correct thread. Then use the spanner number 23. Use the spanner number 23 to tighten the central nut. Now just give the load to the rear wheel and tighten the nut. Don't over tight it. Then fix the brake cable to the brake lever as shown in the video. Just fix the spring first of all and then engage on the brake lever and put the nut. Same way, you can use the hand to first of all rotate fix the nut and then use the spanner so that it will not engage in the wrong thread. You can adjust the screw in such a way that you can just rotate the wheel and see there is no kind of friction sound coming out and the wheel is free. Now just apply the brake and see that the brake lever is free. Now the wheel is free, and just apply the brake, it's ready. So it's according to your situation, you can just tune it, the brake accordingly. Don't over tight it. Okay, then friends, like the video, just press the like button. If those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and put your comments in the comment box. and bell icon for the notification. See you. Bye.